Okay, hey guys, it's Becca again. I, deleted my video before that, didn't actually have video in it, and that YouTube took away all my audio for it, so it didn't really matter at all, really. I spent the entirety of this morning going around trying to fix all of the damn stupid problems I've been having with all the stupid technologies hating me, and I have a new file converter now, and I'm using a camera, and it works now. I don't care if I still get punished and whatnot. I just wanted to prove that I could do this shit to myself more than anything. What you will see is what you were supposed to see already. Okay, one other thing. I really hope that my Clucky video this time works. And if it doesn't, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it from the end. Otherwise, it should be on there with all the sound, hopefully. Because hopefully they won't take away all my audio again. Because that would be really depressing. So, if it's on here, if it's not,
got it going on like Donkey Kong. And ooh, shut my mouth, slap your grandma.
Hey, this is Rebecca. I bet you're wondering why it's me today instead of Ashley.
Wow, that was the most superest awesome video we've ever done in the entirety of our lives. Oh my god. Yeah, hells yeah. Let's go and upload it. Oh no! The hotel we're staying at is making us pay $15 for internet. Not $15! Oh. We need those $15 for anime. So we're not going to do that. So, well, that's okay. We'll just call Stephanie and tell her that Rebecca had to go next, and that her challenge was to make her video not suck, because last time she had so much problems with it. Oh yeah, that was a hilarious challenge, don't you think? Yeah.
And that pretty much explains why I'm going today instead, so that we can, keep the videos going. So what I did today, I woke up and I fed my fish, and then I sat around all day doing the next thing you're about to see, which I find to be perfect timing on my part, since I was going to put it in whenever I got the next video done anyway, and I'm really glad that I started on it like yesterday instead of today, because I never would have finished it, and that would have been late, and then I would have been sad.